This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your universal remote supports Genie models. Position a ladder so you can comfortably reach the motor head and have the original Genie remote in hand. You'll now press and release the opener's Learn or Program button, usually near the antenna. Then, within 30 seconds, prepare the universal remote to receive the code by holding the designated Program button. Once done, you'll see a light flash or hear a click confirming the opener entered programming mode. Now you'll transmit the code. Stand within 3 to 6 feet, point the original Genie remote at the motor head, and press and hold the button you normally use to operate the door. When the opener's lights blink or you hear a click, immediately press and hold the button on the universal remote you want to program. Keep holding until the opener confirms with another flash or beep. This sequence teaches the universal remote the exact rolling code or fixed code the Genie uses. Finish by testing the universal remote from several positions and distances, about 10 to 20 feet, to ensure consistent operation. Press the programmed button and watch the door. If it fails, make sure batteries are fresh and repeat the learn sequence carefully, allowing fresh timing between presses. If multiple remotes conflict or codes are corrupted, you can reset the opener's memory and reprogram each remote. One key troubleshooting tip: if the opener doesn't enter learn mode, cycle power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.